it's going to rain. And it's going to be colder. So, you know, we had temperatures today that were in the 60s. As we go into tomorrow, we want to alert you to this fact, to have the umbrella with you. Definitely make sure you have the coat as well. Let's take a look at exactly what's going to be going on for us. And you're able to see that as we went through the day today, we did see our temperatures that warmed their way into the mid 60s. And so you're able to see that we do have the potential of some rain really developing overnight. We're already seeing that, and that rain coverage increases overnight. Cold rain likely through tomorrow. It could be heavy at times, ending from west to east. More sunshine for the weekend and milder temperatures by Sunday. Let's talk about that hour-by-hour forecast as we go into tomorrow. So we're going to see temperatures mid-50s dropping to the low 50s by 11. But let's break down those rain chances even more for you. Downpours at 8 o'clock and not out of the question for us at a 90% chance. By the time we go to about 9, slick roads out there, 100% rain chance from 9 to 10 and to 11, about 100% rain chance in the forecast. So we're going to be seeing that rain really kind of just piling up on some of the local roadways. Give yourself some extra time getting the kids maybe to their next destination, their next holiday party possibly, or maybe going to do some more shopping. So a lot of rain is going to be falling for us as we go through tomorrow. So let's break this down a little bit more for you. And as you take a look at the first alert, satellite and radar combined, we already have some rain on parts of on the radar on parts of North Texas out towards the west. So this is all with this area of low pressure that's continuing to track its way from west to east. You can see in some spots of the west sides of Oklahoma some heavier returns showing up as we're seeing some more lift, a little bit more dynamics with this. I don't anticipate severe weather tomorrow. I won't be surprised if you hear a couple of rumbles of thunder. Here's the low pressure. It's continuing to track its way to the east. You can see the rain really spreading all the way down to the south as this cold front's going to be moving its way on in. So give yourself some extra time and definitely make sure that you have the coat in hand. So here comes the rain as we go into tomorrow morning. First alert futurecast 4 to 5 out in the west sides of North Texas. By the time we go to 7 to 8, moving into the 35 corridor, 10 to near about 1. Continue to push its way east in the afternoon hours. Still south central sides of North Texas with the heavy rain. By the time we go to 5 or 6, though, a lot of the rain coming to an end. We have that wraparound effect happening and some cooler temperatures moving in. So in some spots, we could see 1.5 inches to near 2 inches of rain. I know this forecast model showing a little bit lower amounts, but don't be surprised if you have some local areas maybe getting a little bit of flooding. We're at 60 right now. Southeast winds at 15 holding together across the Metroplex, upper 50s to the low 60s holding on. Tomorrow, we're going to be seeing those temperatures falling through the day, and I expect low 50s to the upper 40s as we go into the afternoon hours. So this 56 degrees that you see right there, that's probably right around midnight. We'll see 57 on Saturday with partly cloudy skies on the way. Sunday, 63 degrees, lots of sunshine in the forecast. And then as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be seeing temperatures kind of on the roller coaster ride. But by Wednesday and Thursday, holding on in the mid 60s, return of rain on Thursday. All right, Scott.